Hey my YouTube friends, so today I'm going to do another unboxing of a Louis Vuitton bag that my friend got in Hawaii. So this bag is also highly sought after and it's sold out everywhere. So my friend actually went to a lot of different Louis Vuitton stores in the States and also in Europe, but it's all sold out. So here comes the bag. Ta-da! Yes, this is the Nano Speedy. This is the new model. So as you can see, the size is a little bit smaller than the Nano Speedy that I have. And then the strap is actually adjustable. So you see like they have a bunch of holes like that. You can kind of like easily adjust the length of the strap. And inside is just like one simple compartment. It's quite spacious. But the thing is, if you have a Max, iPhone Max, then probably the phone might not fit into the bag. So I'm just using my friend's phone. She has the biggest size iPhone, and as you can see, like you might be able to like, you know, squeeze it into the bag if you try really hard, but oh yeah, like this, but it will be really secure in the bag. But when you try to pull it out, you might need to be strategic and, you know, pull it out at a certain angle. So yeah, but if you have any like smaller size iPhone, then it's probably okay. See, I just ran into an accident. Yeah, but yeah, I can totally show you like a clip of when we did shopping in the store. It's so funny because we went to the store and asked the sales associate whether he has the bag, and he helped us check, and then there's none available. And then we kind of like went upstairs to look at the men's section. We checked out some other bags, and when we were about to head out, and all of a sudden I noticed something that looks like a Nano Speedy. So then I pointed that to my friend, and my friend was like, yeah, that is a Nano Speedy. So there's a guy who's trying to return this bag, and he was in the process of doing that right at the entrance. So I think that's why when the sales associate helped us check the bag and the stock, it was not shown up yet. But we just saw that as we were about to leave, and then I think it's just like meant to be for my friend. It seems like she's been searching for this particular bag for so long. I think this is just perfect timing for me, for us to be there at that time. See like the LV here. Oh, it's really cute. Okay, so here's how the bag looks on her. My friend is pretty tall, so she's like 5'5", 5'6"-ish. And then as you see, like, but you can always adjust the chain of the length of the chain. And I think it's just like a small or mini bag are still pretty trendy these days. And yeah, I think it can definitely fit all your daily essentials. So pricing wise, it is $1,600 US in Hawaii, so I believe it's a little bit cheaper compared to the retail price in mainland US, and in the US I think it's like around $1,800 US, so it's a little bit cheaper. So I'm really glad my friend actually found this bag, and she's able to like get this bag also in Hawaii. So yeah, so that's a quick unboxing of my friend's, you know, newest addition to her LV collection. So I hope you enjoyed this video and find this video helpful. And yeah, so if you like it, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys.